April with Bloomfield Homes. I'm in Alvarado today baking cookies with Matt, our community sales manager, and wanted to talk to you a little bit about all the wonderful things happening right now in Alvarado. We get a lot of questions. I mean, I don't know if you do, but I get a lot of questions about where's Alvarado? What's happening in Alvarado? Do you hear a lot of that?
Absolutely, yeah. It's we're just kind of tucked down here, a little south Fort Worth. Growing community, just about 35 minutes from Fort Worth, about 45 minutes from downtown Dallas. Right here at the corridor of 35W and 67. So it is. It's kind of one of those just hidden gems, I like to call it.
Yes, absolutely. It's a great area. And I think there's so many great things to be said about, like you said, the commute, the access is accessible to everything. Mm-hmm. And you've got some really great schools in this area. Tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely, yeah. Alvarado Elementary School South is one of the few blue ribbon schools here in Texas. So it's one of those great features, and it's right across the street from the community. So kids don't have to take the bus, parents can walk their kids to school, so it's a really nice location for that.
It is, and talking about kids in school, you've got some great amenities in the community. We've got a cute playground right here, located close to the models, some soccer fields for the kids. There's lots of great things to do.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's a very tight-knit community. We've got a lot of family members living down the street from each other. It's kind of one of those communities where you pull in and everyone's in the street talking, kids are playing, so it's just a really tight-knit area.
Yeah, it feels like home for sure.
Yes, absolutely.
So the model that we're baking cookies in today, do you want to talk a little bit about this floor plan and this great kitchen?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the Dogwood 3 model, so it's going to be a 4-bed, 3-bath with a game room. It's got a study as well that can be it's got a dining room that can be an optional study, as I should say, that has a lot of good features for you. Great kitchen area, nice open concept floor plan, lots of customizable features that you can do. Also has a lot of included features like ceiling fans in all the bedrooms and things like that.
And the natural light in this floor plan is just amazing.
Absolutely.
I mean, you can see how open and spacious this floor plan is and inviting. It's great for entertaining, great for making cookies.
Absolutely. All right, so Eagle Glen is located right near the corridor of 35W and 67. And the best way to find us is we are right across the street from Alvarado Elementary School South. So that's just right, I believe the address is 1000 East Davis Avenue. So put that in your GPS and you can find us super easy.
Right.
We've got 2 finished models. We've got a Dogwood 3 and a Redbud 2. Our Redbud 2 has a lot of great features in it. It's going to have a metal vent-a-hood. It's got a modern style kitchen. We are a gas community, which is a great feature as well. Also, we have fiber internet, so you can get up to 1 gig internet speed, which is super awesome, especially with everyone having to work from home nowadays and all of that. So we've got all of those features here in Eagle Glen to make this your next destination.
So in Alvarado, we have 2 product lines as far as floor plans to select from, right?
Yep. Yeah, we've got our Classic Series and our Element Series. Classic Series we're in right now is the Dogwood 3. In the Classics, you're going to have a lot more customizable options and a little bit more included features on there. But what we have next door on is our Redbud 2 model. That's part of our Element Series. Redbud Redbud can come as a single story or a 2-story, like many of our floor plans. But the Redbud floor plan has just been a great selling floor plan based on the square footages, the size of the bedrooms, the open concept floor plan. Is just a really great plan that a lot of our buyers walk in, they fall in love right away.
You're probably seeing a lot of traffic from Midlothian. I know we're getting a lot of inquiries from South Fort Worth where they're looking and kind of end up in Alvarado due to availability or maximizing budgets.
Absolutely, yeah. The cost of the homes out here are significantly less than surrounding areas, with just a little bit extra commute. So I think that's a really big selling point. Also, it's a growing area, so the benefit is getting in at a great price point where your homes are going to increase in price, and it's just instant equity in the homes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today in Alvarado. We've had a lot of fun baking cookies and talking about all the great features that this community has to offer.
Absolutely. So come out and see us. We are open every day, and come see our new models. Come say hi and see where your next place is going to be. Wait, before we go, gotta try one of the cookies. Tastes like homemade.